Hey everyone, Eli here with Innova Electronics. Today we're excited to introduce our newest innovation in automotive diagnostics, the Innova 1000, a Bluetooth wireless OBD2 dongle that will revolutionize the way you understand your car. Now let's dive right into it and let's do the unboxing first. Now before we start, I'd like to mention that the Repair Solution 2 app that pairs with the Innova 1000 is completely free. And that actually includes free updates, no hidden costs, any of that jazz. When I say free, I mean free, free, free. Now, this ensures that you get the best possible experience without any of the additional cost. Now, as you can see, the Innova 1000 comes with this sleek, compact packaging. Now, next thing left to do is let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's inside. Now, inside the box, we have the Innova 1000, the device itself, a QR code to download the RS2 app, and another QR code that serves as a support page with all kinds of troubleshooting guides. Now, the device is lightweight and feels very durable. I'm gonna let you know I've dropped it several times and it's still going. The Innova 1000 is compatible with most cars manufactured after 1996, covering a wide range of vehicles. It offers system diagnostics, including engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, and more. Real-time live data lets you monitor up to 8 data sources simultaneously or overlay 2 sources for precise comparison. Another fantastic feature is our predictive repairs. The device can provide potential upcoming vehicle part failures and recommend maintenance items, which can save you from unexpected breakdowns. Now, let's see the Innova 1000 in action using our simulator. But before we do, don't forget to give us a like, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. I'm going to plug this into the simulator and connect it to the Repair Solutions 2 app on my phone. Once connected, everything you need is going to be displayed. All the diagnostic information and more. You can see right here, no navigating through menus, it's all right in front of us. The app is very user-friendly with bright, easy-to-read display. We can read and clear and check engine codes, monitor live data to perform an emission readiness check. And remember, all these features come with free updates, no hidden charges, subscription fees, any of that. When I say free, I mean free, free, free. Now, I want to share a few extra features that you won't see on any of the other apps. Now, we actually provide verified fixes that have been authorized or at least revised by ASE Master Techs. This will help you eliminate any confusion as to what the issue may be. The verified fixes will share with you what parts you'll need for the fix, and the app allows you to easily purchase them directly from your preferred seller or retailer. If you prefer not to do the repair yourself, the app is actually paired with RepairPal, which locates mechanics in your area and allows you to schedule your next appointment with them, all within the app. The Innova 1000 is a powerful diagnostic tool designed to make your car care straightforward and accessible for everyone. From verified fixes by ASE Master Techs to real-time live data and predictive repairs, this device has it all. Getting your car diagnostic information has never been easier. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing and first impressions video. For more information and to purchase the Innova 1000, click the link below, learn more, and get yours today. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. See you soon next time.